Hey guys, it's Unique. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing something to my hair. If you're new here, hey girl. My channel focuses about taking care of ourselves, and a part of taking care of ourselves is taking care of our hair. I have told you guys that would be a lie. I haven't told y'all nothing. I am a lazy natural. Yes, I am. I am a part of the lazy natural crew, okay? So if you are a lazy natural like me, hey girl, hey sis, welcome. I am about to show you guys my quick, easy, go-to ponytail hairstyle. I'm actually trying out a new ponytail because I usually use bundles to do this. But I got this girl off of Amazon. She's kind of big, she's kind of wavy, she's synthetic, and girl, she cost me less than $15. We about to get this slay for less than $15, and it's about to be fast too. Okay, so I'm starting off on blow-dried hair. In order for my type 4 hair to give me that sleek look that I'm looking for, I do have to start on blow-dried hair. The amount of products I would have to use and the amount of bicep work that I would have to do in order to get my hair sleek from a wet state. Girl, I just go ahead and blow dry it. Don't let this little bun fool you, girl. It's a lot of hair up under here. So like I said, I got this ponytail from Amazon. She has these combs, not combs, I'm lying. She has this one comb right in the center, this little weft here, which I'm thinking we're gonna slip our ponytail through. And then this piece here is like Velcro, and a longer piece of hair which we're going to use to wrap around to hide that we've attached this weave ponytail like that. Now, I don't trust these prongs at all. I don't trust them at all, y'all. I have no faith that this is about to keep this ponytail in my head. So I'm going to use bobby pins to help reinforce and secure her, because I don't want to be prancing off in the wind and I left my ponytail behind me. So here are the tools that you are going to need. First, you need a blow dryer. I'm going to be using my Tangle Teaser brush with the long handle, a boar bristle brush, which y'all know about this brush. You've probably been slapped in the forehead with this brush before. Some bobby pins, a couple different types of hair ties, some edge control. I'm going to be using the Style Factor Edge Booster. Some hairspray. I'm going to be using the Freeze Spray from Got To Be. My natural hair is already moisturized, so I don't need to add anything for moisture. But make sure your hair is moisturized before you do this style, because these styling products that we're using today, especially the Freeze Spray, can be very drying on your hair. Oh, and I should also mention, my monitor is over here, my mirror is over here. So if I'm not looking at y'all and you see me looking over here because I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus and y'all can see what I'm doing, or if I'm looking over here, I'm trying to make sure I can see what I'm doing. Okay, cool. I'm using that Tangle Teaser brush. Okay, so I'm gonna use a hair tie. This is just the preliminary hair tie. This is not going to be the one that I'm going to leave standing. I do this just to keep my hair in some kind of control and position as I sleek it back, so I don't have to worry about holding the hair and making sure the hair stays in place while I'm applying our styling products. Once I get my hair in position, then I'll add the actual hair tie that will stay in place. Using the Edge Booster, I'm applying that in sections from the front of my hair all the way to the ponytail holder, and then I'm using the brush to smooth it through. Now, because I started in a blow-dried state, this Edge Booster alone can give us that slick back, sleek look that we're trying to achieve. If you have thicker hair than I do, you probably want to part your hair in layers and then apply the gel in those different section layers. And look at the shine that it's given me. That's the reason that I really like this Edge Booster, because it'll help match my natural hair to the luster of the synthetic hair. Now apply the hairspray, and you're going to blow dry it to help lock the hair in place. This will help us set the look that we're trying to achieve, and let this style last for more than a couple of hours, because we don't want to do this work for a couple of hours. I'm going to use another hair tie to reinforce the ponytail as it continues to set, which will help minimize our hair from reverting back too much, but I'm leaving that first hair tie in place to help control the rest of my hair so I'm not fighting it, and it makes it easy to add that additional hair tie. Now, this is the only exercise I've gotten all social distance season, y'all. Like, look. Bicep strong. Okay, bicep strong. Now remove the first hair tie and then you're going to braid your natural hair. Now I'm braiding straight back behind me to keep my ponytail as straight as possible, so it'll continue to be straight underneath our ponytail. Now that the braid is finished, I'm going to reinforce that ponytail again with another hair tie, but this time I'm not going to remove the first one. What I'm actually going to do is add 2 more hair ties in order to give the base that the faux ponytail sits on some structure to really hold it. That way we won't have a lot of pressure pulling back on our edges, and that faux ponytail won't just flop over and look lifeless. I'm adding a rubber band to the end of my braid just to secure it so that it doesn't unravel as I wear the synthetic ponytail, and then wrap my hair to set under a scarf. Okay, so I brought you guys in quite a bit closer for the actual install of the ponytail. If you guys can see, it like opens. So I'm gonna slip my real ponytail inside of this so that this section can cover my ponytail from underneath. That way if I'm like swinging my hair, which I tend to do when I have a ponytail, girl, because I be showing out, you won't see my natural ponytail. I'm going to be sticking the prongs at the base of this ponytail. I'm also going to be putting the bobby pins in this section as well, just to reinforce this section around the base of my natural ponytail. So I'm going to stick that in here. I'm doing it with one hand just to kind of make sure y'all can see. So you see that's in now, but now I'm going to wrap the base of that ponytail around and reinforce it with the bobby pins. Okay, y'all, I have the ponytail secured. Let's find that little piece. The last thing for us to do is to wrap this section around the base of the ponytail, because that looks janky. And because this hair has a lot of volume and body, you shouldn't be able to see my ponytail. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off of y'all so y'all can really see. So comb out the wraparound piece, and then you want to douse it with hairspray as you work in sections and wrap this section around. This will make sure that the wraparound section is smooth, and then we're going to use the blow dryer to set it in place so that it doesn't unravel. If you don't feel like it's very secure, you can always add a bobby pin to the end of that wraparound piece to make sure that it's locked in place. But if you use that freeze spray, it really shouldn't go anywhere, especially if you blow dry it and make sure that it's dried in place. It shouldn't go anywhere. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Look at it. I mean, for a really quick install, this is not bad at all. So now I'm just gonna throw on a couple of baby hairs, girl, because I just feel like with the ponytail you need just a little something, nothing crazy, but that's up to you. Style your baby hairs how you want, okay? Style them how you want. Now my baby hair situation is really simple. I just add the edge booster to the small sections that I'm going to use, and then I use a really teeny tiny fine tooth comb to swoop the hairs around and back, and that is it, guys. This is it. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support that you have been showing me. Thank you for all the DMs, all the comments, all the likes, all the views. I love when you guys come over to Instagram and hop in my DMs and I chatted up skincare with you. So, the moment that you all have been waiting for, the announcement of the giveaway winners. I promise I'm gonna find that sound so I can stop doing it myself. The winners of the NOLA Skin Essentials bundle are these two. Woo! Y'all won. So congratulations, guys. You guys go ahead and show them some love in the comments below and tell them congratulations. I'm going to reach out to you so I can get your address and send you all the wonderful things that you have won from NOLA Skin Essentials. I can't wait to see what those products do for your skin. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like, hit that thumbs up button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, but don't just hit the bell, girl. You gotta press turn all on too if you want to be notified when I drop a video just like this one. Thank you guys so much, all 14,000+ of you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.